I know it's not Sunday, but I'm just so excited. I had to share this with you. Allotment 25. Welcome. So the other day, once I finished harvesting my coriander, my cucumbers and courgettes. Oh, sorry about the other day, by the way, with the end of the recording. I don't know what happened. I pressed the wrong button somewhere and I just totally lost the recording, so apologies. But don't worry, I did take some really good pictures and I posted them onto my Instagram page. So if you go on there, it's allotment.25. So yeah, please go on, have a look, and if you could give me a like, that would be great. Yeah, so after I'd done all the harvesting, one of my neighbors here at the allotment came over, and she brought me these lovely baby plants. Now, I'm not really sure what they are, but, you know, they look great to me. Now, the lady, she's from Romania, and unfortunately, she doesn't speak any English, and I don't speak any Romanian. I'm assuming that's the language in Romania. So, you know, she wasn't able to explain exactly what they are, and I wasn't able to ask too many questions. But I was just so grateful that, you know, she showed me the love, and by giving me these. And I did understand that she said, you know, put them in the ground ASAP. So I thought, yeah, better not delay and crack on. Hence why I'm just so excited about this, and I just wanted to share it with you straight away. I don't really have any new space where I can put these plants in. The coriander patch, as you can tell, it's not really ready for using again. So what I thought I'd do, I managed to source some of these, I don't know, vegetable crates, whatever you call them, and I thought if I could just fill them with some soil, some compost and whatnot, you know, makeshift raised bed basically, then I can plant them in straight away. Right, in here I should have some old compost or leftovers that's been composting. Well, I think it's been composting. Well, it just looks like hay really. That's alright, that's what people say. Okay, I might have some more in here. Let me have a quick look. Yeah, let me get this. Just get my hands. Now I'm just going to top it up with some soil, or actually it's all-purpose compost. It's great stuff. Been using it for a long time, and no, I'm not advertising this. It's not what this channel is about. Right, let me get this baby spade. Quite a sunny day today, so it's not great for my recording. I think that looks great. Okay, let me just get this ready. So what I've done, I've prepared 2 mini raised beds. As you know, I don't have a tripod, so it's a bit difficult to do them in with one hand, so I just quickly paused the recording for a bit while I just carried on. I think I really need to invest in a tripod so then you can actually watch me in action. But yeah, so they look alright. So let's crack on. So if I make how many should I put in maybe, how many say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Right, so let's get some of these. Now, to be honest with you, I really don't know how many you're supposed to put in together. If they're meant to put one at a time or... Let's give it a try. Hopefully I don't disappoint that lady. It's not easy with one hand, so what I'll do, let me just press pause on my record and I'll come back to you guys. So they're all in the makeshift raised beds. There they are. They look a little bit wilted. I might have left it a bit too late to put them in the ground, but I only literally got them yesterday. You know, it's only been a day, but well, give it time. Maybe I can bring them back to life. Hopefully I can do that lady proud and share some of this with her as well. I'm just gonna quickly water them just to get them going. Okay, I think that's enough. Right guys, well, I think that's the end of it. I think that they're all ready. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I really appreciate your love and support. If you could also give me a like, share and subscribe, that would be great. Until the next time, hopefully it should be at the usual time on a Sunday. I love you and leave you. Take care. See you all later. Bye bye.